Hey guys, today I decided to pack my new QUECHUA bag for my upcoming short trip to Amsterdam. This backpack is very lightweight and I'm taking this as my personal item, and it is made of synthetic water repellent material. The shoulder straps are well padded and the back panel is ventilated, and also it has a sheet to maintain the bag's structure, and the bottom is rubber material and it is soft. At the front you have a big expandable quick access pocket so that you can place some small accessories like earphones. There is a big snout at the lower front so that you can put some bike loop or some other items to attach it. And this is my favorite feature, as I can use this to hang on my trolley and walk through the airport. And also it has a phone holder and a secret pocket such that you can store your passport and vaccination records. These adjustable sternum straps are useful to prevent the shoulder straps from falling off your shoulders. The top access is secured by a G-hook. You can load from the top or unzip the main zipper to get clear access to the main compartment. It can easily hold a laptop up to 15 inches and a tablet up to 13 inches. There is a decent amount of internal organization. On the left hand side there is a space for keeping your power bank and a cable pass-through channel to charge your devices. On the right hand side you can easily access your laptop compartment and quickly grab your laptop without removing the G-hook. Now it's time to load my backpack. Here I'm using a packing cube to store my essential clothes for 4 nights. Like it has 3 pants, 4 t-shirts, underwears and socks, and this bag can easily hold this cube. It also has 2 expandable pockets to hold water bottle and an umbrella. And that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. See you soon.